Hi guys, this is part 3 of drawing with name tutorial. In this part I'm going to teach you how to draw the eyes, nose and lips. In previous part 1 I've taught you how to draw the outline. In part 2 how to draw the hair. Both the video link you can find in the description box. Let's start with our tutorial. I'm starting with the eyebrow. It is very simple and easy. You just have to write the name inside the outline area. Important point is that how much small you can write, that much it looks good. Let me complete this part, and in same way we will complete the other one also. Now I am starting with eye. Make the outline of eye with the name. Then for shading, just write the name with very low pressure to show the shaded areas. And for iris part, just do the reverse of that. Write the name with very high pressure, and you can also do the overwriting in the iris area to show the very dark part in iris. In the same way, we will do the nose area also. Let's complete this part. Then we go to the nose part. Nose part, make the outline of the nose with the name, and for nostrils area just do the overwriting over that area to show the dark part, and make shadows in one part of the nose to show the structure of the nose. In this way you can show the shape of the nose. And after this completing nose, we'll go to the lips part. Now for the last part, the lips area, we'll do the same as we done in the eyes and nose. First we will make the outline of the lips with the name and fill the lips area with the name, but just leave the space for the sign in the lower lips, and this way we will complete the lips. Here's our eyes, nose and lips part is complete. In the next video I'm going to teach you how to draw the structure and the clothes area. In that video we will complete the full portrait of Captain America, and see you in the next video guys.